amazing organization because it really empowers us to beautify our community and join together to help the environment.
I love what Pure Initiative is doing because a lot of people don't realize that Tampa waterways are really polluted, so it is incredible that there's an organization out there that really gives back, picks up the trash every month, and really just takes care of our environment, which is exactly what we need. If we want to spend our times at the beaches, we need to keep our waters clean as well.
I'm so proud of cleaning the waters of Tampa Bay because it's important to leave something for the next generation to enjoy.
Pure Initiative is community because it brings together so many people to make a difference right in your own backyard. I love what Pure Initiative is doing because they're really making a difference in our community and in our home.
Cleaning up the community is important to me because I value our lovely beaches here in Florida, and it's so nice to see the beaches all being cleaned up and not being tarnished by trash.
I'm so proud to be part of cleaning the waters of Tampa Bay because this is where I live, this is where my daughter lives, and she's going to grow up, and I want the world to be clean for her to enjoy. This is important to me because I love to be outside and enjoy the world around us, and I don't want to see a bunch of litter everywhere, so it's one small thing I can do to make the world a little bit better.
Hey, my name is Julio, and I'd like to invite you out this Sunday with Pure Initiative to clean up the Tampa Bay waterways. We're going to be listening to music, having lots of fun, great snacks, and to get the opportunity to meet really great people.